Hello, welcome back first graders. Today in math, what we will be doing is we will represent and solve subtraction word problems. How we will be doing this is we will use manipulatives and a strip diagram to model and solve a word problem. This is important so we know how to make a model in order to represent a problem. But first, we're going to go ahead and review our vocabulary and our anchor chart. Our first vocabulary word is going to be strip diagram. So in our strip diagram, we have three different sections. We have our part, and our whole. So when we don't know our whole number, we add both parts. Next, we have equal sign. Equal sign is a symbol that means the same. So right here, we have 6 equals 6 because 6 and 6 are the same numbers and they have the same value. Our next vocabulary word is add. When we are adding, we are joining. We are putting them together. We are joining. Next we have total. So our total is our number of objects we have all together. Our total. How many we have all together. Next we have subtract. When we are subtracting, we are separating. So we are separating, we are taking away something. We're taking away a certain amount. In our strip diagram, we are going to focus on our subtraction problem since we will be doing a subtraction problem today. Subtraction. So our first part we have is 10. And then our second part we have is 16. So we have our whole number and we have one of the parts. So when we are missing a part, just like we are here on our anchor chart, when we are missing a part, that means we subtract. When we are missing a part, what do? Subtract. Correct. So we have 10 plus and then our mystery number, which equals 16. In order to get our mystery number, we have to subtract these two numbers. Let's go ahead and look at our word problem for today. Our word problem for today, let's go ahead and read it together. So Dylan has 18 purple balloons. How many purple balloons does he have? 18. 5 balloons flew away. Oh no. How many balloons does Dylan have now? Okay, so let's look at our first number. So Dylan has 18 balloons. So he only has 18 balloons. So let's go ahead and draw 18 balloons here. So I'm going to draw 18 small balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have 18 balloons. So I'm going to go ahead and get 18 purple linking cubes. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, and 2 more. 17 and 18. So I have 18 purple linking cubes right here. Oops. So I have them right here. I'm going to group them together so y'all can see my linking cubes. Okay. So 18 purple linking cubes. And 18 balloons drawn here. So let's keep reading. 5 balloons flew away. So when balloons fly away, they're gone. We just lost 5 balloons. So 5 balloons flew away. How many balloons does Dylan have now? So what we want to know is how many balloons Dylan has. So he has 18. He had 18 purple balloons. That was how much he had all together. And 5 balloons flew away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out 5 balloons in my drawing to represent that 5 balloons flew away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm just going to circle the ones that I have left. So I'm going to do the same with my linking cubes. I'm going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away these 5. Okay, so now how many balloons does Dylan have now? Let's count the ones we have circled. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many balloons does Dylan have now? 13. Great job. So he has 13. So we have 13 linking cubes and 13 balloons. Let's go ahead and fill out our strip diagram. So for our strip diagram, we have to see how many balloons Dylan had all together. So he had 18 balloons. So all together, Dylan had 18 balloons. He only had 18 balloons. So we're going to put 18, we're going to put 18 right here in our whole part because he had 18 balloons all together. So he started with 18 balloons. Okay, our next number is 5 because 5 balloons flew away. How many balloons flew away? 5. So this goes on one of our parts right here. So we are missing our other part. That was our mystery number. This part was our mystery number because we wanted to know how many balloons Dylan has now. So how many balloons did we count he had left? 13. So he had 13 left. So that is our missing number, our missing part. So whenever we had our missing part, we had to take away, we had to subtract. So our missing part was 13 balloons left. And how did we get our answer? How did we get our answer? What did we do with our drawing? So in my drawing, I crossed out 5 balloons in order to represent that 5 balloons flew away. So to explain my answer, I'm going to put I crossed out 5 balloons in my drawing, and I was able to count the rest that were left, and I got 13. That is how we got our missing number. So we had 5, and we didn't know our missing number. We didn't know how much he had left, but we do know that he had 18 balloons in total. So this was our missing number. We found out that our missing number was 13. So let's go ahead and add this problem to our anchor chart. So right here we have subtraction. So what number did we know? We knew 5. So we knew 5. 5 balloons. We had 5 balloons, and that was one of our parts. Okay, but we didn't know our other part. We didn't know how many balloons he had left at the beginning. So we were missing our other part. But we do know that he had 18 balloons in total. So he had 18 balloons all together. That was our whole number. 18 balloons was our whole. So with our number sentence, we have 5 plus our mystery number, which we were able to solve, equals 18. So whenever we have our missing part, we subtract. That is a subtraction problem. We have our mystery number. Let's go ahead and look at your assignment for today. For your assignment for today, you are going to go ahead and look for this Google slide that says independent practice and that starts with the name Xander. Once you find it, this is the worksheet that you will be completing for today. So it reads, Xander has 10 purple balloons and 2 flew away. How many balloons does Xander have now? So right here, you're going to draw your balloon, draw your picture. You can draw balloons, you can draw dots. Draw right here, and you are going to complete the strip diagram. So remember, Xander had 10 balloons. So altogether, he only has 10 balloons and 2 flew away. So you're going to go ahead and fill in the strip diagram. And then once you get your answer, you're going to put your answer right here where it says your answer. Write it down right over here. And then how did you get your answer? Did you use your drawing? Did you use a strip diagram? Did you have manipulatives? How did you get your answer? Where it says explain your answer, you're going to go ahead and write right here what you used and how you got your answer. Once you are done with this, you are going to go ahead and click the Save button at the top right-hand corner and turn it in Google Classroom for your math teacher. I hope you have a great day. Bye!